finally making food for Mother's Day! Wow, I'm learning from Mom. Hey guys, it's Kashmir and today I will be making homemade pizza for Mother's Day because I cannot bake nor can I cook, so I will just be making something as simple as this. Tell me where to stop.
Oh, enough.
Enough. Yeah,
Okay.
So you will be needing bread, any type of bread. You can have a homemade dough, but then since I do not cook and since this is just something easy that I would want to make at home if I want to have snacks, then I would use bread. So you can use any type of bread as long as you can add the toppings on top of it. So that would actually look like a pizza, right? You need cheese, then we have mushrooms, and then we have pineapples. And then we have two types of olives. There's the green one and the black olives. And then there's the hot dogs. The hot dogs are sliced beforehand and also cooked. We also have this pizza sauce. And I also have Parmesan cheese. These are just the combination toppings that I would usually have. So that I could spread it on the bread. So here I cut it. I don't know how this is going to turn out. So I'll just be using the spoon instead. Oh my gosh. Bro. What happened? So if it's not enough, then just add more of the red sauce. Next, I will be adding the cheese. And then next, we're going to be adding the hot dogs on top. My hands are clean, don't worry. So after adding the hot dogs, I'm going to be adding the mushrooms. And then next, I will be adding the pineapples. I'll be adding the black and the green olives. So this is my favorite, I swear. It adds a lot of flavor in it. So after adding all your toppings, you will be adding more cheese. Is it okay? Is it nice?
It looks good.
It looks good. That's what we have right now. So I already preheated it earlier. Just waiting for it to turn brown. Also use an oven toaster if you don't have an oven. So that's the final product. Yay! Yum.
can taste the orange. Okay.
He likes it. Oh, he's eating more. You like it?
No, I don't know why, but the pineapple makes it better.
Wow! He likes it. That's all for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed your Mother's Day as well as I enjoyed mine. And happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. Please don't forget to give it a like and a subscribe for more videos. Thank you and goodbye! Happy Mother's Day!